asset browser. This is Blender 3.3. So I guess there are two main sides to assets. One is defining, configuring them, and the second is actually using them. Here I've got a funny shape that I'll consider my asset. What I can do here is I'll say funny shape, right click. Oh, that's interesting, my screencast keys have gone. Okay, right click and mark as asset. So can I also mark that as an asset? I don't understand what the difference is there, but anyway, okay. I'm going to save all of these in a folder called my asset. I'll save this. Okay, quite odd to me is that there is no file here, no file menu entry. Anyway, so I'll do Control S, my assets, blend. So that's the assets defined, but the trouble is it doesn't know about that location. So if I go to Edit, Preferences, I go to File Paths, and then I add another file path so that it can locate this, all the .blend files, and then I can say my assets .blend, add asset library. Okay, and then I'll close that. We're all saved. So I'll do a new one. Right now I can only conclude that it doesn't like the resolution on this monitor, or rather, so if I go to Edit and Preferences and Interface, forget about that resolution, let's try 1.2. Yeah, it's appearing now. If I do so I've already got a new one here. We've already defined our assets. So if we now go, if I now go into Asset Browser here, that won't do there. Let's go back to the viewport there. We'll save our, we'll put do the asset reference stuff here. If I drop down from here, and then I say, that's interesting. So I've got my assets in there, so it's given it a name, okay, and that's pretty good. I like that. So that's fine. So we've got funny shape, which I can now just drag into here, and there it is. So that seems pretty good. Done.